Hi, my name is Mason Dahl. What if I told you that there was a treatment that could reduce the symptoms of epilepsy, spastic disorder, depression, Alzheimer's, cancer, and many other common diseases and disabilities? Would you invest in it? Now, what if I told you that this same form of medication is one of the most frowned upon drugs by our society known today? Marijuana. While most people are quick to judge those who use this herb, few actually know the many benefits that it possesses. That is why I wanted to share with you all today the benefits legalizing marijuana can bring, not only medically, but industrially and economically as well. First, I'd like to share with you the medical benefits of marijuana. Cannabis, more commonly referred to as marijuana, is a preparation of the cannabis plant intended for use as both a psychoactive drug and as medicine. Marijuana is a great all-natural alternate to most prescription drugs, and as proven by numerous studies, it is impossible to overdose on. Contrary to popular belief, you cannot have any health problems as a side effect of smoking marijuana. This form of medication has also been shown to relieve major symptoms of a variety of serious medical conditions. This idea was tested in numerous clinical trials at which patients found relief of severe nausea and an increased stimulation of appetites of patients with unhealthy weight loss conditions such as cancer and AIDS. In a CNN documentary titled Weed, a 5-year-old girl who suffers from 300 epileptic seizures a week is treated with a cannabis extract. After the extract, her seizures are reduced about once a week. Also, a 19-year-old male suffering from a rare spastic disorder of the diaphragm smokes cannabis, and his halting hiccup-like cough is stopped within a minute, and his speech is perfect as before. These cases are only 2 of the thousands where medical marijuana has proven its effectiveness. Although the use of marijuana may be perceived as destructive by society, the benefits greatly outweigh the negative views. By legalizing marijuana, the United States can expect to see many positive effects to the economy. Our economy as a whole spends about $68 billion a year on its prisoners alone. 1/3 of these inmates are in prison for nonviolent drug crimes, and about half of these criminals are marijuana offenders. This means about 1 in 6 inmates is serving time because of a marijuana-related charge. If the federal and state governments voted to legalize cannabis, the United States should expect to save about $11.3 billion a year. Already legal in the state of California, it brings in about $14 billion a year in sales. Not to mention the $1.5 to $4 billion a year in tax revenue. Marijuana legalization will not only create revenue for the country, but for the citizens as well. In a CNBC interview, it was stated that Washington and Colorado have seen a tremendous amount of job creation in the wake of the marijuana initiatives, now that the wide-range industry-related jobs are required to support growing businesses. Because marijuana has been socially unacceptable in our country for so long, many citizens are afraid to accept its legalization. We must attempt to overcome these social blocks, however, so we can see the beneficial properties of marijuana. Legalizing marijuana can benefit everyone, not only medically, but industrially and economically as well. With 100 million Americans having used pot at least once, including the president, his 2 immediate proceeders, the mayor of New York, and countless other Illuminatis from all walks of life, and with about 25 million regular users, marijuana is a deeply ingrained pattern of American culture.